In this video, you'll learn how to set up SMS automation for order cancellations on your Shopify store using Mercuri. Let's get started. Go to the Templates section in the left-hand menu of your Mercuri dashboard and select SMS. In the top right corner, click Create Template to get started. You'll now see the SMS template creation form. Enter a short and descriptive template name, for example, Order Cancellation. You can also enhance your SMS template by attaching media files such as images, videos, or documents. In the template text box, craft a clear and concise message within 160 characters. You can personalize it using dynamic variables by clicking Add Variable at the bottom right corner. Map each variable to the correct data fields, like the customer's name and order number. Use the preview option to see how your message will look to customers. Finally, click Create to save your template. Now go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Order Cancelled as the automation type, and choose SMS as the channel. If you have more than one number in your SMS account, you'll first need to select the number, and then choose the template under that number. Next, pick your SMS template. Finally, click on Create Automation. That's it. Your order cancellation SMS automation is now live on Shopify with Mercuri. Scan the QR to book a free demo with us.